I can't get TikTok Shop. If you can't get TikTok Shop, it's often because the feature isn't yet available in your country or region. TikTok is rolling out its shopping platform gradually, so users in unsupported areas won't see the Shop tab in their app. To confirm availability, check that your TikTok app is fully updated through your device's app store, as older versions may not include the Shop integration, even if it's available in your area. If you're in a supported region and still can't access it, check your account settings. Make sure your app's location and language match your country, since mismatched settings can prevent TikTok Shop from showing. Then, log out and log back in, clear the cache, and restart your phone. These steps refresh your account data and often make the Shop tab appear. For sellers, you'll need to register through the TikTok Seller Center before accessing TikTok Shop tools. Once your business is verified, you can list products, manage orders, and start selling. For buyers, the Shop tab should automatically appear once TikTok confirms availability in your region. If not, TikTok's rollout may still be in progress for your account type. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to scale your TikTok shop like a pro.